Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited. Dun 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 dun! This is the calendar from Liberty. And first of all, have a look at the box itself. It's so Christmassy and so attention to details and fairly heavy, guys. And have a look at the painting on the box itself. It's just so lovely guys. I'm so excited. And you open the calendar, dun 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 dun, very festival. Inside there are 25 boxes. I'm thinking how I'm going to position the camera because I like you guys to see the box at the same time, but if you see the box you don't necessarily see me. And hold on a minute. Okay, I know the position is a little bit lower than I used to, but at least you see both of us, the box and me. It did come with a list as what is actually included, but I completely ignored it. I will only use it just to check what's the original price of each item, just to see if this box is actually worth it. I paid £250 for this box, and let's see what's the total value of the items inside. I will just go with the numbers and start from number 1 right here. This looks like a perfume, it says on there. Oh, it is. It is Tudor Liberty. What's the ml? It is 8 ml. Okay, this smells familiar. It is actually quite nice. It's I would say it's one of those typical smells that you would smell with in a 5-star hotel. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit soapy, but more in refresh, that type of zone. Number 2, this is, don't really know this brand. Hydrating serum. Oh. Ooh. It's literally smell very strong, horrible box. It like a, you know, cardboard box when you have a very strong smell of a cardboard box. It smells like that. Oh, the smells is horrible, but the formula seems very nice. As soon as you smudge out, you actually feel it's more like water rather than more milky feel. It's very light and absorbed very quickly. But the smell is horrible. As it's very colorful and floral here. Very hard to see the numbers. Number 3. This is from Luna, Sleeping Night Oil. It's very mild smell, but I don't like the smell. I don't think this smell gonna put me into sleep. Put away. Any of you tried? It's very interesting. You know, anything reduce the appearance of pores. You know, for my age, especially for the wrinkles, it all sound very attractive. But it's just the yeah, the texture and the smell probably not for me. As you know, can you guys still see? Can you guys still see the reflection? Even it's being absorbed, it's still very oily. Okay, number 4. Number 4, this is a face cream from Dr. Barbara. And this one is 20 ml. I thought this would be more makeup. Or maybe makeup and beauty. But it's more like a skincare, isn't it? Oh, talk about the makeup. This is definitely a mascara. The print, it just really can't be identified. But anyway, this is a mascara. Oh, I like the tip. Oh, I'm very excited. By looking at it, there are good amount of fibers on the brush already. And by looking at the actual product itself, it seems more fibery rather than more creamy and looks heavy. It doesn't. It looks very nice. So it's over here. Ooh. Oh, look at this. This is a night star serum. And come with a bracelet. It's more like a milk type of texture. Okay, this one is more herbal like smell. Not my favorite, but I can bear with it. And it's very nice texture. The more you smudge out, it's more like light cream. Oh, this is nice. The little stars. Oh, it is very nice. Oh, selling is at the bottom here. Okay, it's another perfume. It made me wonder, may not be a perfume, but anyway. Oh, is it massage oil? Yeah, it's a massage oil. It's very typical massage oil. It says deep relax. 8. This is a deep conditioner. Deep conditioner only 5 minutes. And it is 50 ml. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. Oh, this one is a blush. From Rose Ink. Very sleek packaging. The color is not bad. The color is called Daylily. It's the cream blush. Oh, you guys know I'm very into cream blush, multifunctional creamy stuff. Thick cream. When you more rub it, it's more sticky it gets. But the color is really nice. And I think this is a mirror. It is. It's a mirror for your bag. 10. This is bar soap. Let me see if I like the smell. Very normal hotel soap smell. 11. Oh, this is called the Poets of Berlin. As I haven't checked the notes, but it smells a little bit gingery. 12. Number 12 is shampoo. Any of you used or tried this brand before? 13. 13 is down here. This big box and just for this little thing. Liquid exfoliate. I'm not sure whether all of the items will have the price, as if some of them were like examples, then we won't be able to get the price. So I will check all the items on the website. If they have listed the price there, I will add up everything here. 14. Lipstick. Oh, wow. I know they're pricey. Oh, wow. Oh, I am so excited for this brand. This brand, I know it's expensive. Oh, and it's a not bad, very good quality. It's very nice color actually. It is a little bit more rosy than I would prefer, but I think I will be still okay. It has a teeny tiny purpley undertone, but it's more rosy pink. It's number 15. Oh, I like this brand too. It is their Overnight Glow. This is a very like famous product. It is a repair serum. 17. See, that's much easier. Ooh, hair clip. Good start. What's this? I heard about this, but never actually try it. And what I like it has the description as how to use. It says massage into scalp and hair. That's what I like this type of hair oil is. As we know, most of the hair conditioners and oils, you try not to massage into your scalp. It's actually not really good for your scalp. But for oil like this, would be really, really good and to strengthen your hair. I'm certainly gonna try. And this is the hair clip. Nice, nice. 18 is here. Number 18, hope it's a hand cream. Yes, it is. I definitely need a hand cream. 19. Again, seriously, can't you just put the bigger items into slightly bigger box? And this big box for this item. 1. And this is liquid balm. Do you guys know? Okay, we're nearly there. We're on 20. It is hair oil again. I think this could be just a sample. It is only 15 ml. 21 over here. It is a renewal mask. 22. This is a eye mask. This is a exfoliating cleanser. Exfoliating like that. 23. This is a perfume. Right, we are on Christmas Eve. Let's see what we got. It is a candle. Cashmere wood. Oh, it sounds very much like my cup of tea. Ooh. Nice. Very nice smell. It is wood based, but has the blackberry sweetness in there as well. And let's check out what you would get on Christmas Day. The 25th is the biggest box, as you can tell from this calendar. And take out this. This is the little thing you get. Obviously, I haven't checked what it is yet, but still, it's disappointing, you know. The huge box you thought going to be a wow surprise. But hey, hydrating rich cream. It is very thick. A little bit like a La Mer's cream, face creams texture. What do you think? I enjoyed the whole experience of opening this type of calendar. Of course, for showing you guys and for the purpose of this video, I opened every single box in one go. But can you imagine that if yourself or you share the box with your best mate, your best girlfriends, and you guys open or take turns one a day, and it's like I opened up our chocolate calendar as well. It is actually a very, very nice experience. Should I do it next year? Should I get more boxes and open kind of like a episode with you guys? If you like it, please let me know now, as I really need to save up the money because those boxes aren't cheap. Please give a thumb up if you enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't subscribed, then please do, just down here. I will see you on my next video.